All right, welcome traders. Patrick from Trading123. Here we are on Friday, August 25th, 2023, and we're trading a bunch of trades here. Today was Fed Day on a Friday, which is odd, and they had some news out at 10 o'clock, and the market decided to take a tumble. It was pretty active, and here we traded the NQ. We ended up with 5 trades today. We had 2 trades for over, our largest one was $1,119. And then our second largest was 1,002. We had $1,000 goals. And then we had an ES trade for 545. So our total for the day was over $3,900 minus commissions, which would have paid for the software in 1 day of use, just trading 2 and 3 contracts. No need to trade 5 or 10. 2 or 3, you can make just as much money. So on the Fed day, and I was not excited, but typically I trade NQ all the time. But on Fed day, it moves a little quick, so we had some larger goals here on the next trades. But when the ES gets in a downtrend or an uptrend on Fed day, you're better off, trading that, because the trend's gonna, last a lot longer and smoother than getting these, wicked bounces on the NQ. And so, you got to pay attention. Go to forexfactory.com and look at the news for the day, and the major ones you got to pay attention to. So here we start the day. NQ, Fed begins to speak. When the Fed speaks, the market either tanks or goes up, and down we go. Our bot gets short here and hits our first 2 contracts, and then our runner with our stop loss gets out, catches 90% of the trade, and then it did a reversal here, and looks like we should have made more money, but we got 584. We had we had an $800 goal. It was over 700, and then with the fast action of the market within a split second, by the time it exited, we only got 584. So some slippage on Fed day. That's why I say you're better off trading the ES. So here's our strategy performance. 584. Did have a loss there, and all the other numbers down at the bottom. So a good way to start the day. And we had 50% winners. I don't know why that is like that, because it hit profit targets here. I think there's something in this mess here. So anyways, all trades are not going to be 100% winners. You will have, usually they're 80, 90, and you'll get a couple 50s on Fed day here. So let's look at the next trade. And here is our ES trade. We elected to wait till after 10:30 because it was in a downtrend, and then it got this bounce, and then the bounce failed, and it was kind of moving really slow. So here I used the button. I got impatient, got out a little early, missed this big run, would have hit our goal, and then it kind of went sideways here, didn't take too long, and then boom, bottom fell out. We hit our goal. Nice trade. And there's the strategy performance. 545 commission, 100% winners, and all the other numbers. So here's our second trade on the NQ, and we upped our goal due to the fact that the market was moving pretty quick, and we wanted to take advantage and get the profits. And so it gets long here. Here's where we started it. It gets long in a trend reversal, and then here it went to go long, but the market's moving so fast, hit our stop. So a little whack-a-mole trading there, and then a trend reversal here, and it sells off, and then I should have had a little wider stop, should have had at least a 30 stop, but I had a 24, and So it gets whacked there in that little bounce, if you can see that wick. And then here, a little long and stop out, and then a short. I mean, the market was moving really quick here, so we hit our goal, and 60% winners on the trade. So it was a good trade. We hit our profit goal. Then there's the strategy performance for the trade. So on those stops, we got whacked a little, but overall we made our total net profit over $1,000. Let's look at the next one. So in this trade, we elected to let the market calm down a little and start the bot after 10:30. And we get this bounce up and a leg down, and it goes short. And this time I widened the stop to 32, still trade 3 contracts, goal of 1200, and I still got stopped out on that runner. And then the trend was down, and then some garbage whack-a-mole trading here. Short got stopped, and then it got long on a reversal, and then short and long, and boom, we hit our goal. 88% winners, $1,119 profit minus commission. Now, the Fed is talking, or the news is out, so the market is just bouncing up and down all over the place, and trade this manually, you'd never be able to do it. So you sit back and let the bot do the work for you. There's a strategy performance. We hit the total net profit, 119. A little bit of a loss there overall. Profit factor up. Good trade. Then we were pretty much done trading after that last trade, but the market still had some movement coming in here after 11:30, 11:40 area, 11:45. So we lowered our goal, used the same stop, and started the bot, and just missed this trend here. I think the trend was still up. Then it got the bounce here, and it got short, and then a reversal, and we hit our goal pretty quickly. This trade lasted 2 minutes. And again, I keep telling you guys, it's below the VWAP, so it's weak. Go get our VWAP indicator, $150, very cheap, and you'll profit from it. There's the strategy performance for the trade, 669. And like I said, our total for the day was $3,900 in trades, trading just 2 hours a day. And this trade here, the last one, I did record it live. I'll put it on YouTube probably tomorrow. So I recorded it live, so I'll upload it. And you can see that. So thanks for watching. Great day of trading using the Trading123 AlgoBot. As I said before, prices on this system will be going up very soon by the end of the month. So if you want to jump on board, get in early before the price hike. It's been the same price for, I think, 5 years. So it's going up. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a good week.